How to make money on TesterUp. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can make money on TesterUp. So let's get into it. Now, first things first, as you can see, I'm on the website TesterUp.com, and it's actually pretty simple. You come over to this website and you can earn real money. All right, pretty simple. You test mobile games, apps, products, and complete surveys, and then basically you get paid. It's as simple as that, right? You test anytime, anywhere at your own pace, and you can get paid fast and securely with PayPal, right? So I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google. All right, here we go. So now that I've signed in, this is how it looks like. So once you've signed up, you should be good to go. And as a sign up bonus, they basically give me like $5 you can claim as your sign up bonus. And now you can get started, basically get a head start. Then you just simply claim now and you are good. Here at the top, you have my balance over. You have these games right here. These are on Android and these are on iOS, right? So this is Android. Click over here. These are all games that are available on Android. Monopoly Go, you can see right here, $723. This is a big premium game. And if you click on it, they're going to basically show you how you can get started. So basically you have 60 days to complete this offer and you get to earn $723. In order to go ahead and, play it, you basically install the game and play 2 minutes to unlock all the rewards, right? That's the first task. So you click over here, start task, you scan with your phone, all right? And then you start playing it. So give me 1 second. I'll also, test it on my phone as a backup. Hopefully you guys I won't show you how to play the game because, why would I show it to you? I mean, you already know. You just simply scan it with your phone and then it'll open up the link, and then you can just simply copy the link or just, open it in your browser and basically just download the application. All right. Once you've downloaded it, you should be good to go. But yeah, I'm gonna do that later. But basically, just play the game, and then they'll give you some tasks. This is like a premium one, so we'll skip that, and I'll show you some other ones that that have that option. So this one right here, Raid Shadow Legends. This one is available for desktop, so we can install this game right here, and we can earn $67. This one takes like 45 days, and this is the description: the role of an ancient warrior and defeat Dark Lord. So let's go ahead and click on Start Task. Right, new users. All right, this is the requirement. Right, new users, you can participate only if you've never installed the game or application before. I haven't done that. Yep. Single device. Yep. You can play particularly in only single device. Yep. App download. All right. Click on confirm and continue, and we will download the application. Click on download. I don't even know if it'll work on my computer because this is like my work PC. It's not, there's like barely any specs on it. So, but still, we'll see if maybe there is something. So now it's going to take us to this section where we just download the application. And I'll download it. Actually create a new folder just in case and just download it over here. Once it's downloaded, we'll just let it rip. This is of course for PC. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we'll just download it and now we should be good to go. I don't have any, so now it's going to install the Polarium Play. That's going to take a little while, so we should be good to go. Now I'm going to go back. But yeah, now we can track our progress over here by clicking on this button. We need to play for at least 2 minutes to unlock all the tasks, and we can see there are plenty of tasks, and that's how it is. So let's just wait for a couple of seconds. It should install in a couple of seconds, but yeah, then we'll be good to go. Coming back to our dashboard, we can see haven't made any progress over here, but that's fine. Let's go back to the dashboard and see all the games that are available, and then we have other games over here. So we have iOS and Android available here. You can see over at the top what type of game they are. And yeah, we also have other options. To prevent fraud, they require 3D liveness check during the withdrawals to verify you're human. So you got to go ahead and click on this dude over there to go ahead and get started. Then here you have the discover section, right? This is how it looks like. You get all offers unlocked for you in this section right here after this time maybe. And then here you have your task, and then here you have your wallet, right? As I said before, in order to, take out the money, you got to reach $55 first as a payout. You can see the credit over here, and then you should be good to go. Also, raid is almost done as well. Hopefully we can actually play it on our PC. Otherwise I'd have to install it on my phone, and I don't want to do that because then we'd have to switch devices, and I don't want to switch devices. But yeah, it's done and downloading, and now it's just installing it. Should be good to go. And here we go. Polarium Plays. Now let's see, coming back over here, my task. I am playing it right now. I wonder if it's, detected me or anything. I don't have any actually. I don't have any account over here, so let me see. I'll go ahead and connect one of my Google accounts. No worries. All right, here we go. So almost there. We should be good to go now. I'll always do that. Hopefully. Yeah, here we go. So this is going to take a while. So what we'll do is we'll just let it download, and once it's installed, the game will start automatically. So We should have actually picked some other tasks other than Raid Shadow Legends. But it was the only one that was... Wait a minute, where's my... Scared me. But yeah, that's how it is. Let me see. For some reason, I can't scan the code on my phone. Let me try. Maybe if I connect... Yeah, I have the VPN connected as well, just in case. So let me actually come over here on the website itself, TesterUp.com. I'll open it up on my phone as well, just as a backup, and sign up. Or maybe I can't sign up. I'll need to create a new account. But for some reason, it says that I can't register. Maybe there's something issue. Maybe there's some sort of an issue with my phone. But yeah, it's fine. Again, we have 4 offers that are worth of $1,652. This is for Android and this is for iOS. And this is Raid Shadow Legends. So we already have Raid Shadow Legends installing. Hopefully it'll work. Okay, so now it's installed. Now we can play it. Maybe does it detect that I'm already playing it? Yep. Yes, it is. I'm already here. Yes, I am playing the game. Let's see if it actually works. You know, I've never actually installed this game or played it. Saw a lot of ads on YouTube though, so maybe it'll work. My user ID over there if you want to play, you know, maybe raid some shadows, gather some legends. Okay, yeah, it looks okay, but yeah, it does not, it's stuttering. That's because my PC is just so bad. I'm not gonna lie, my PC it's awful. But I just wanted to see whether or not, you know, it is detecting that I'm actually playing or not. That's the only thing that I have right now. That was easy. I don't know if you guys can hear it. 1 second. Can hear it. We're just playing the game as just an example. Maybe see if it detects the progress on my computer. If it doesn't detect it, that means that I'll just have to, you know, download it on my phone and play it from there. But yeah. Okay, so that's what it is. We're a party of 4 and we're heroes and we're here to slay the dragon and take his gold. Oh. Okay. She's dead.
Well, that could have gone better.
We attacked together.
What do you mean that could have gone? Your party member just got eaten. And now they're all dead. Yeah.
I thought these champions may have been the ones. Yet it seems I have strength left to restore.
Alright, who do we got? Do we go for the archer, the magic elf, berserker orc, or the knight, Ethel? To be honest, they all look pretty cool. I don't know, I really want something melee. Like these two, I mean, I don't know about this one, but I'll actually go with Ethel. Ethel is rare attack type. She's one of the sacred orders. As an orc, this is of course dark elves, and this is a high elf. Archer, magician, berserker, and a tank. I'm gonna go with tank. I think that's a tank. Yeah, 2,000 HP. Oh, she has more HP. Oh, maybe that's not a tank. But we'll go with.
So be it.
We'll go with that champion right there. All right, I've been playing it for a little while. Did it track my progress? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, here we go. Focus on your starter. Okay, don't spread resources too thin. All right, so I gotta do all of this, and then we should be good to go. But yeah, once we've done it, it should automatically. I don't think it's detecting that I actually paid for like 2 minutes. It has been at least more than 2 minutes, I think. But I don't know. Let's see what we got. What is this? I don't like this champion. It's like uncommon. Oh, we got more crystals. Shit. Okay. Oh no, we just battle. Okay. Champion battle. Alright, let's just battle over here. We'll go with this one. This one. Yep. Looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. Okay, so that's the skill right there. It's a turn-based RPG, so we just do this. And then we just play. Oh, we'll just turn it on auto. That should be it. But yeah, once we've done it, we should be good to go, and then we can just simply, you know, go back into our profile, go into our accounts. We have all of our balance over here. And then over here, let me go back, click on my balance. It'll take us to a wallet section where we can go ahead and just, withdraw our payment by connecting our payment method, which is PayPal. And then we should be good to go. And there you go. That's how you can get started earning money with TesterUp. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.